Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name remains Victor Godfrey, and I'm here to share with you on how to triple your book sales during Q4 in Amazon KDP. If you're a self-published author on Amazon KDP, you already know that Q4, the last 3 months of the year, is a golden opportunity to skyrocket your book sales. With holiday shoppings at its peak, there are strategies you can actually use to triple your sales and maximize your profit. Q4, which includes October through December, is the most profitable season for online retailers, and this also includes Amazon KDP publishers. This period covers Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and the holiday seasons when book sales often spike. With the holiday seasons in full swing, consumers are actively seeking gifts, entertainment, and reading materials for themselves and for their loved ones. This period can be transformative for your sales figures if you actually employ effective strategies tailored to capitalize on seasonal trends and readers' behavior. So, in this guide, we will explore actionable strategies that can help you triple your book sales during this critical quarter. From optimizing your book listings to leveraging targeted promotions and engaging with your audience, these techniques will empower you to maximize your visibility and sales potentials. So, whether you're a seasoned author or a newcomer to self publishing, these insights will provide you with the tools needed to thrive during this lucrative time of the year. The first guide on how to potentially triple your book sales during Q4 on Amazon KDP will be for you to first of all optimize your book listings. You can update your book titles, subtitles, and description to ensure they are enticing, keyword rich, and reflect the holiday spirit if relevant. You can also use high converting keywords, especially those trending in Q4, to boost your book's visibility in Amazon searches. You can also add holiday specific keywords such as gift, holiday reader, if they fit naturally into your content. Next will be for you to optimize your back-end keywords. Revisit and update your back-end keywords with terms likely to be popular during Q4, such as holiday gifts, Christmas books, or top holiday books. Ensuring these terms are relevant to your book can capture more holiday traffic. Next will be to encourage and utilize reviews. Positive reviews are crucial during this high traffic season. Encourage readers to leave reviews by including a call to action in your book that requests and reminds readers to leave a review after reading your book. Next is for you to have a captivating cover design. Invest in a professional cover that stands out. A compelling cover can significantly increase the click-through rates of your book. Then your book description also matters. Write an engaging book description using HTML formatting to make it visually appealing. Highlight key points, use bullet points, and include a call to action. Consider launching holiday themed bundles or book sets, especially if you have a series. Buyers often look for gift-worthy collections, which can increase the appeal and perceived value. Leverage Amazon ads with a focus on Q4 works. You can increase your advertising budget for Q4 and focus on keywords that are popular during the holiday season. Keywords like gift ideas, holiday reading, and best book of the year can help target seasonal buyers. You can also test sponsored product ads and lock screen ads. These are effective in targeting readers looking for books as gifts. Adjust your bid strategies to stay competitive and increase visibility. Create targeted ads for your book. Use Amazon's advertising tools to reach specific audience based on interest and buying behavior. You should also budget wisely. Set a daily budget that allows you to test different strategies and also monitor performances and adjust accordingly. You can also offer limited time discounts and deals. Consider offering a discount on your books, especially in the weeks leading to Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Making your books down even slightly can increase sales volume significantly. Then you can also enroll in Kindle countdown deals or run price promotions on ebooks and paperback formats. A short-lived sale can create urgency and attract deal seekers looking for holiday bargains. You should also consider running a small promotional campaign or a giveaway to attract more reviews before Q4. Books with strong ratings tend to sell better, especially to new holiday shoppers. You can also use social media for targeted holiday promotions. You can also share holiday themed content, giveaways, and announcements on social media to boost engagement and awareness. Also, tailor content to the holiday seasons, focusing on how your book can make a perfect gift. You can also collaborate with influencers or bloggers on your genre to increase visibility. They can help endorse your book as a holiday gift, reaching newer audiences. You can also launch a new book if possible. If feasible, launching a new book in Q4 can boost sales as new releases often get extra attention. Aligning a new release with the holiday season can capitalize on increased buyer interest. Promote the new release through email newsletters, social media, or Amazon ads, creating excitement around the launch during the peak buying season. You can also run targeted promotions such as Kindle countdown deals. Use this feature to create urgency. Set a limited time discount to encourage quick purchase. Create promotions around seasonal events. For instance, run a Black Friday or a Cyber Monday sale to attract more readers. Engage on social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to connect with readers. Share behind the scene content, book trailers, and engaging posts. Join reader groups, engage in relevant groups and forums like Goodreads to promote your book organically, and be genuine and participate in discussions. You can also network with other authors. Share each other's books on your newsletters or social media posts to reach a broader audience. This can help you tap into their audience as well. You can also utilize book promotion sites such as services like BookBub, Freebooski, or Bargain Booski to promote your book to a larger audience. These platforms can drive significant traffic. Also, regularly monitor your sales data and performances. Use this information to tweak your strategies. So, by implementing these strategies, you can maximize your book's visibility and appeal during the crucial Q4 selling season. Remember, the key is consistency and adaptability. Stay engaged with your audience and be willing to pivot your strategies based on what works best. By applying these strategies, you are setting yourself up for a strong holiday season. So, guys, that's a wrap on how you can triple your Amazon KDP sales during Q4. If you've enjoyed this video, I'll appreciate if you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more self-publishing insights and strategies. Thanks once again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.